this video, I'm going to solve problems on the Newton's divided difference. So previously, you people have studied about the statement of the Newton's divided difference and what is the meaning of a divided difference. And along with that one, you people have studied about the first order divided difference formulas, second order divided difference formulas, up to nth order divided difference formula. So in this video, I'm going to solve some problems under the Newton's divided difference. I'm going to solve problems. So those problems are very important for your examination. Okay, so let us observe your statement of the first problem. Use a Newton's divided difference formula to find the f of 4 given that the data x and f of x. X entries are a 0, 2, 3, 6. F of x entries are a -4, 2, 14 and a 158. Observe this table here. By using this table, we are going to find here f of 4 value. F of 4 is nothing but f of x only, x value 4. So by using this given data, we are going to find a f of 4 by using the Newton's divided difference formula. Okay, so before writing the Newton's divided difference formula, first we have to construct here divided difference table. Okay, so you know that how to construct a divided difference table. First entry x entries, next column f of x, first divided difference, second divided difference, third divided difference. Okay, so write here x entries 0, 2, 3, 6 here. Observe these entries. The step size is not a constant. The step size of the x entries are not a constant. What it means? The divided difference is always for unequal intervals. Newton's divided difference formula is always for unequal intervals here. Therefore, here there is an unequal interval is formed. So 0, 2, 3, 6. These entries are nothing but x0, x1, x2, x3 entries and x3 entries. Then write down the corresponding f of x entries to the x entries. Okay, f of x entries are -4, 2, 14, 158. Write down respectively. Then first entry is denoted as f of x0, f of x1, f of x2, f of x3 respectively. So first divided difference, first entry must be a f of x0, x1. Okay, in the first divided difference, first entry must be f of x0, x1. Next f of x1, x2. Next f of x2, x3. Okay, there is alternate x0, x1, x1, x2, x2, x3 like that. Then, so you know that in a previous video, you people are studied about the formulas of the first divided difference, second divided difference, third divided difference. Okay, so what we have first one, f of x0, x1. Okay, f of x0, x1. What it implies, you know that the how to find out this value, that is nothing but f of x1 minus f of x0 divided by last entry x1, first entry x0. F of x1 means what we have here, 2 minus f of x0 minus 4 divided by x1 minus x0, 2 minus 0, 2. Therefore, I written directly here 2 minus of -4 divided by 2. What it means? 3 only. Then similarly, next entry f of x1, x2. F of x1, x2 means f of x2 minus f of x1 divided by x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. F of x2 14. F of x1 2 divided by last entry what we have here, x2. x2 means 3. First entry x1. So 3 minus 2 1. What it gives? 12. Similarly, f of x2, x3. f of x3 minus f of x2. 158 minus 14 divided by 6 minus 3. x3 minus x2. What it implies? 3. Solve this one, you will get 48. Similarly, second divided difference of a first entry is denoted as f of x0, x1, x2. So know that how to find out the factor of a f of x0, x1, x2. You know that f of x1, x2 minus these two. f of x0, x1 divided by last entry x2, first entry x0. So denominator must be x2 minus x0. F of x1, x2 means what we have? F of x1, x2 12. 12 minus 3. Okay, 12 minus 3. Observe. F of x1, x2 means 12. Right here 12 minus f of x0, x1. F of x0, x1 means 3. 12 minus 3 divided by x2 minus x0. x2 minus x0 means 3 minus 0, 3. 12 minus 3 divided by 3, what it implies? 3 only. Similarly, second entry in a second divided difference is denoted as f of x1, x2, x3. Okay, if here x0, then here x1. If here x1, then here x2. If here x3, then x2, then here x3. Alternative. Okay, suffix must be alternative. Then this is found by using the formula. Again same formula, f of x1, x2, x3 is given as f of these two entries, f of x2, x3 minus these two entries, f of x1, x2 divided by x3 minus x1. f of x2, x3 means what we have here? F of x2, x3, 48. Substitute here, 48. Minus f of x1, x2. f of x1, x2 means 12. Divided by x3 minus x1. 6 minus 2. 4 only. 48 minus 12 divided by 4, what it implies? 9. Similarly, third divided difference is denoted as f of x0, x1, x2, x3. Okay. Observe here. If your third divided difference, then here factors must be 4. Starts from x0, x0, x1, x0. Don't start from a x1. You have to start from a x0 entry. Okay. If your third divided difference, then here 4 entries, 4 factors. If your second divided difference, then here 3 factors here, x0, x1, x2, like that. This is the logic here. Okay. Then f of x0, x1, x2, x3 is found by again 9 minus 3 divided by last entry x3, first entry x0. x3 what we have? 6 minus 0, 6 only. What it implies? 1. Then write down here Newton's divided difference formula. This is given as f of x0 plus x into x minus x0, f of x0, x1 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into f of x0, x1, x2. Then these factors extend these factors in the next term. So x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2 into f of x0, x1, x2, x3 plus so on. F of x0 means what we have? Minus 4. Substitute here minus 4. X value 4 is here because we need to find f of 4 now. 4 is nothing but x only. Okay. So x means 4. x0 means you know that is 0. Substitute here. Then substitute all these entries. Then you will get the solution of f of x as a 40. This is our required solution. Okay. This is a required final answer. F of 4 is equals to 40. It completes the solution.